This isn't a high quality production, I don't know.
Nothing we do is high quality.
Women are stupid.
I'm molting.
Scarce as shit here.
I am no longer scarce. The ruse is broke! The ruse!
Tyler vlog, last part.
I need a drink. Reese, you gotta throw that ass in a circle so I can spin in the chair.
Drone shot! Drone squirt!
That's the wrong way. You had to put it backwards. It's backwards!
I'm gonna fire my drone pilot. Oh, like you're gonna fly it!
You killed this engine.
Oh my god, the experiment of a lifetime.
Does it fit?
My fist would fit this. Hey! Be gentle. She had a rough life. Box you attachment too. It's a deadly weapon. Don't throw it. Seriously.
Yeah, no, that fucking hurts.
Alright, so you get the front. I'll get the front, you get the back. Sounds good. Tyler, I got you in a little bit.
Look at that chain though.
Joey, that chain is off the chain.
Get out. Really? Really? You actually, that's filthy.
So we're gonna pick it up.
Randall, you want to play with the lawnmower?
I don't know if you want to listen to this baby purr.
No! No!
There's clothes under it. Or else I would.
No.
You know how good that's gonna be?
Do not start the lawnmower in here.
Fine. Fine. Won't start it in here.
Don't get my Ethernet cord in it, please. I need that.
We should have bought you a zero turn lawnmower, Tyler. This one's just not working. I'll take it back. Don't worry.
Randall, you want to play in the lawnmower?
I haven't even tested to see if it works. You know what I'm saying?
No! No, 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 no!
Where's the on button?
Can you not?
She fucking threw the thing. God damn it! I'm here for friendly support.
Oh, you're going fast.
Yeah,
I'm trying to push him.
Joey's.
We have plenty of time. Joey's taking a dump.
Pretty cool.
Take about a year. Don't worry, I got my share. We're trying to get your wife out the stairs. She hung herself again. Like husband, like wife, you know?
So many
Man.
Halo battles in this room.
What a cutie.
Oh my god, fuck you.
Yeah, I need to invest in a steady cam. Steady booty shots.
Sick prank 2014, sick pranks, Fousey tube. Sick prank, Fousey tube.
What's up, fam?
That's a lot of aliens. Oh, there's another one. Get it?
Need to buy some cheap labor.
Yeah, cheap labor. Hey, that's your wife?
Nigga.
Tyler, save her.
This is what jerking off is, right?
Hand, I'll rescue her. Oh, damn it, she's falling. Oh, there we go. Oh, there.
Women are stupid.